Proud na ipinakita sa publiko ng dating Itbulaga host na si Pauline Luna, ang kanilang baby number 2 ni Bossing Vic Soto. Sa kanyang Instagram stories ay ipinasulyap niya ang close-up photo ng kanilang baby, nakita ang labi. Good morning, saad ni Pauline sa kanyang IG story. Ayon sa mga lumabas na report, ay welcome ng pamilya Soto ang kanilang bunso noong Martes ng umaga, January 23. Bago pa man ang pagkakapanganak ng kanilang baby number 2 na tinawag nilang si Baby Mochi, ay emosyonal na nag-post si Pauline ukol sa kanyang probably last pregnancy. Ibinahagi pa nga niya ang mirror selfie kung saan makikita ang kanyang baby bump. Yes, it sure is a sentimental feeling, but I feel extremely blessed to be able to carry another child, despite my condition. All glory and praise goes to our one and only Lord for blessing us with this child, pagbabahagi ni Pauline. To my dear Tali, I know this is something new, and things might be a little different, but know that you will always be mommy's first. It was just you and me for 6 years, and you have taught me so much. Maybe you would think that oftentimes you needed your mom, but it was really me who needed you most of the time. Thank you for giving me purpose and meaning. Thank you for making me a very happy mommy, mensahe ni Pauline kay Tali. To my ever supportive and loving husband, I am so grateful for you. I look at you now as I type these words, and my heart is just filled with love and gratitude. Mahal na mahal kita. Habang buhay, message naman ni Pauline kay Bossing. At para naman sa panibagong blessing sa kanilang pamilya na si Baby Mochi, Mommy cannot wait to hug and kiss you tomorrow. You are yet another answered prayer in our lives. I'm so excited to make memories with you, and your ate and dad. I love you. Marami ang nag-congratulate kay Pauline, pero marami din ang dismayado at nagtataka sa kanyang post, dahil labi lang umano ang ipinakita, at hindi ang buong mukha. Komento ng isang netizen, baka raw kamukha ng panganay na anak nilang si Tali. Sabi naman ng isa, baka may diferensya ang baby nila. Sa ngayon, ay marami nga ang nag-aabang, na ipakita ni Pauline Luna, ang buong mukha ng bagong silang nilang anak.